Namaste, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to embark on an exciting journey to learn the parts of the body in Hindi through English. So, whether you're a beginner looking to expand your vocabulary or just curious about Hindi. Alright, let's kick things off with some common body parts. First up, we have the tongue, which is jeeb in Hindi. Can you repeat after me? Jeeb. Fantastic. I will repeat this. Tongue. Jeeb. Tongue. Jeeb. Now, let's move to the eye, which is aankh in Hindi. Give it a try. Aankh. Excellent. I will repeat this. Eye. Aankh. Eye. Aankh. Now, let's move to the hair, which is baal in Hindi. Give it a try. Baal. Excellent. I will repeat this. Hair. Baal. Hair. Baal. Now, let's move to the nail, which is nakhun in Hindi. Give it a try. Nakhun. Excellent. I will repeat this. Nail. Nakhun. Nail. Nakhun. Now, let's move to the stomach, which is pet in Hindi. Give it a try. Pet. Excellent. I will repeat this. Stomach. Pet. Stomach. Pet. Now, let's move to the elbow, which is kohani in Hindi. Give it a try. Kohani. Excellent. I will repeat this. Elbow. Kohani. Elbow. Kohani. Now, let's move to the cheek, which is gal in Hindi. Give it a try. Gal. Excellent. I will repeat this. Cheek. Gal. Cheek. Gal. Now, let's move to the lip, which is oat in Hindi. Give it a try. Oat. Excellent. I will repeat this. Lip. Oat. Lip. Oat. You're making fantastic progress. Let's do a quick recap. Tongue, jeeb. Eye, aankh. Hair, baal. Nail, nakhun. Stomach, pit. Elbow, kohani. Cheek, gal. Lip, oat. Congratulations! You have just learned some essential body parts in Hindi through English. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep practicing these words in your daily life. Thank you for joining us today.